Nasdaq, because that was obviously impacted. And you can see that here on the daily time frame, we have the same thing. On the left, of course, is the daily time frame. And we saw that pattern that we've been talking about of lower highs and lower lows, interrupted a big rally, and now we have a higher low. So this week's low is going to be very important for the next couple weeks, I think. If this market doesn't fall apart after the Fed, here's what I think could happen. Maybe we drop down into this level. That purple is the week to date anchor, and that also brings us to this blue anchor, which is the year to date anchor. So I think if we see some pullback, this is likely a place that we'll get a bounce from. It's certainly my level of interest on the downside to say if we see a quick pullback into there, then I'll be looking at a very short-term time frame and looking for evidence that we might then decide to bounce from there. If we get a bounce, I think it's likely we run probably up towards that 5-day moving average, and we might run through it, but instead I'd rather it kind of just continue to stair step higher. On the opposite side, if we come down and we break below and hold below the week to date anchor, that's that purple one, and then I think we're going to see round 2 of selling. I hope we see the first scenario, and that's what I think is most likely.